Good morning, this is Teak Productions bringing you some flood coverage from Tropical Storm Harvey. Water has gone significantly down since yesterday, and it's actually kind of raining right now, but we're just going to give you a live look at what's going on down here in Beaumont, Texas. Bunch of tree limbs everywhere, mostly rushing water. This drainage ditch here. This is pretty crazy. This is probably about 30 knots right there. That's pretty fast. But come down here, and that was all flooded back there yesterday, but that wasn't that bad. But all this was underwater around here, and yeah, it's gone significantly down since yesterday. So walk down here to Reynolds. So this is pretty crazy because there's tree limbs everywhere, and there's even siding on this house on the inside of the garage that's coming apart. But all this over here was underwater mostly yesterday. Now it's not because of the drainage. It's gone down significantly. We saw about 15 inches last night from about 8 o'clock last night until about 1 a.m. But it was pretty crazy, and you can see where the water line was on the pavement here. So you could tell just exactly how high that is. And these people right here had water in their house. So we're down here at Reynolds, and all this was underwater yesterday. Now it's not. And that's honestly a pretty good sign, mostly. But that water is just rushing through there like it's nobody's business. So pretty crazy. Just to see how an idea was, got a piece of wood right here. Throw it in there. See how fast it goes. That drainage ditch. So yeah, that's a good idea how fast that water's going. So, and all of this was completely underwater yesterday where this bridge is. So we're just going to give you another live look real quick, and we'll go back down here towards my house. So we'd just like to say thank you for watching and staying tuned to Teak Productions for coverage of Tropical Storm Harvey. And we will see you next time. Bye-bye. Give you another live look here real quick.